So I know it's only September, but I have my Christmas Jellycat haul already. So let's unbox this together, or unbag it together. There's really not much to this, but you know, I really like Christmas, so I got myself a Christmas tree. I didn't get the one last year, so I decided I really wanted to get one this year. I'd say it's really cute, but I think it looks a lot better in the pictures. The eyes don't look as, but maybe I just need to brush it out or something. And then I also got the bunny, the snowsuit bunny, but something looks kind of off. I don't know if it's the hood or actually, let me take this. I don't know, maybe this looks a little bit better. Just a little bit. The ratio looks a little bit interesting. I have, last year, I got the Scarlet Bunny. For some reason, I think it's because of the snowsuit that it makes the bunny's body look longer than it really is. I don't know, what do you guys think? But yeah, I had to get ready for Christmas this year. I also have a reindeer from last year. Anyways, that'll be it for this unboxing. See you guys in the next one. Bye!